Are you a software developer and still you are using mobile applications and Photoshop to increase the resolutions of your image? Come on, this is the AI world. We do not need to do anything. AI and machine learning will do everything for us. So just drag and drop your low resolution image and get high resolution photos like this. So let me clear you first why I am saying specifically to the software developers, because from this website you can not only edit and increase the resolutions of your image, but also you can copy the Python code and implement them in your AI and ML project. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. So for this, first of all, you have to go to the Google Chrome and search replicate.com. Then click enter. Then you will get this type of page over here. Click on the first link. So this is the page where AI and ML will edit and increase the resolutions of your image. Okay, so before that you have to sign in to this website by your GitHub account. It's completely easy and free to create, so you can create one to log into this website. So just click on this sign in button, then click on sign in with GitHub and get login into this website. Okay, then you will get this type of page over here. After this, click on this explore button and here it is. So here you can not only edit and increase the resolutions of your photos, you can do a lot of things over here. Like you can convert the image to text, and also you can convert the text to image. Apart from that, you can increase the resolutions and you can change the facial features, and also you can generate a Pokemon from a text. So just explore it little bit more. You can get so many things from here. Okay, so pointing to this video, let's see one image. Okay, so this is my image. As you can see, the image quality is very low, right? Let me show you by right clicking and file info. You can see the file size is only 81.2 KB, correct? And if I will zoom this photo, then you can see its quality is very low, right? So let's increase the resolutions of this photo with the help of replicate.com, or we can say by machine learning. Okay, so let's move to the super resolutions part. Okay, so this is basically used to create high quality image from low quality image by increasing the resolutions. Okay, so just click on this. Okay, then click on this swinner option. Okay, so just click on it, then scroll down. Okay, and delete this image. All right, then just drag the image. Okay, and put it over here. All right, okay, then scroll down and you can set the resolutions. Okay, whether you want to increase the resolutions to medium or large. Okay, so let it be large. Then you can increase the noise of your image, that is 15. You can put it 15, 25, 50. So let me keep it as it is 15. Okay, then click on submit. So here you can see the processing has been started. All right, just wait for a few seconds. So here it is. Wow, so here you can see the image quality, right? This is a very low quality image, but this is a very good and high quality image. Okay, so let me download it by clicking on these options. So here you can see the size of this image is 12.9 MB. Okay, so before that the size of this old image was just only 81.2 KB, right? But now the size of this image is 12 MB. So you can imagine what level of resolutions has been increased from this level to this, right? So I hope this video is very much helpful for all of you. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to share, subscribe and like our channel. Take care. Bye bye.